Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to fix the no signal error on an MSI monitor step by step using a simple and effective troubleshooting approach. Once the display comes back on and the desktop appears, you'll know the issue is resolved. In most cases, a no signal message on an MSI monitor is caused by a cable or input mismatch. Start by checking your HDMI or DisplayPort cable and make sure it's firmly connected to both the monitor and your computer's graphics card. DisplayPort connectors should click into place, so reseat them properly. Next, check the monitor's input source. Use the buttons on the monitor to open the on-screen menu and confirm the selected input matches the cable you're using, whether that's HDMI or DisplayPort. Selecting the wrong input is a very common reason for a no signal error. If that doesn't work, move on to advanced checks. Update your graphics drivers directly from the manufacturer's website, whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Outdated or corrupted drivers can prevent the monitor from receiving a signal. If the issue continues, power down your PC and reseat the graphics card to ensure it's securely connected to the motherboard. Also confirm your power supply provides enough wattage and that all GPU power cables are properly connected. As a final step, reset the monitor to factory settings using the on-screen menu. If none of these solutions work, contacting MSI support is the best option.